Auxito sent us their 7-inch X-plore 1 off-road lights. And I've been running these for about 2 weeks now, and I am super happy with them. We've done about 2 or 3 wheeling trips at night. And I just came back from a weekend trip doing about 6 hours on the highway, and check this out. So I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison of my headlights and the Auxito lights. So right now, Brianna's gonna show you my headlights. So you can see that's just my regular headlight, and I'll show you my high beam in a moment here. So that's my high beam. Now I'm going to turn my headlights off and show you the Auxito light. Those are the Auxito lights. Now I've turned my headlights on, and I'll turn off the Auxito lights. So there's a big difference between the two. I'm very happy with them. We've already gone 4x4ing a couple times at night, and these lights, they are super bright, and they come in handy. They light up absolutely everything, and it honestly it puts my headlights to shame, because after I've been driving with these on like a dark road or a section of highway where I can't see, and I turn them off and go back to my headlights, it's just not the same, honestly. But yeah, I'm very happy with them. They're very good. They're super bright, and I've got no complaints so far. I've been running them for about 2 weeks now, and they're doing good. They seem to be pretty high quality, and they were packaged really well. The only thing that I need to get used to is just how big they are. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like on an older truck and a smaller truck like this, they're maybe a little too big, but I might just get used to that at some point. I'm kind of just being nitpicky, but I've got no complaints with how bright they are. They're gonna get a lot of use, and I'm super stoked. I do have a discount code in the description if you guys are interested in any other products. I'll link the code down there with their website. And yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing more of this old Toyota, check out the channel, and please hit subscribe and turn on your post notifications, because this weekend we've got a very cool video coming, and you do not want to miss it. It's gonna be a good one. Auxito, if you're watching, thank you for the lights. Seriously, we really appreciate your support, and all of you guys watching, we appreciate you too. Until then, take it easy.